Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my long-awaited hair tutorial. I'm going to share with you how quick and easy it is to style your hair in the morning. Takes me 10 minutes. I'll share all of my favorite products. Let's get started. So the first thing I do is with fresh and clean hair, I first start off with my Pure Volume Solution. This is one of my favorite discoveries. This you typically will put into your hair with when your hair is damp. So as soon as you get out of the shower, I massage it into my scalp, massage it into the root of my hair, and then I blow dry my hair. This is heat activated, so as soon as you blow dry your hair, you can see the volume and the magic happen. What I'll also add is I'll add this Playa texturizing spray. And this texturizing spray I really like towards the ends of my hair. It kind of gives you those beachy, piecey, cool little waves that I feel like everyone strives for, those effortless curl style look. I really like this. So texturizer from Playa I really like. Next thing I have is my hair oil from Ovation. I really like this. I find that it really gives you a nice moisturized, hydrated look. Because my hair is really fine, I used to feel like I couldn't put a ton of product in my hair. You have to use it sparingly. You definitely don't want to use it in the root of your hair, but I put it towards the ends of my hair to help hydrate, kind of give it more bounce, and I think it really helps accentuate the curl. It defines it a lot to me, whereas it might look a little frizzier if you don't put it in. You don't have to, but I do feel like it really helps accentuate the curl, and it kind of gives it a little bit of life towards the end. So I usually do about 1 or 2 pumps, and I'll just kind of scrunch it into the ends of my hair, run it through the bottom. I do get tons of flyaways, so I might use like the tips of my fingers to kind of go across my bangs to kind of get those crazy ones, kind of tame them down. So once I start styling my hair, I will clip my hair up. I will section it off so I can do different parts of my hair. And with my curling iron here, this is my favorite curling iron. It is by T3 Micro. This is the interchangeable set here. I really like this because even when I add in my extensions for long hair, or when I had my long hair, you can use all 3 different barrels. Right now that my hair is short or medium length, I really like to use the medium barrel. And when my hair is long, I like to use a large barrel for the big Victoria's Secret curls, but it's really nice to have one curling iron that you can kind of mix and match and use it for any length of hair that you have. So that is the biggest plus about having this curling iron. So typically what I'll do is I will grab one piece of hair and I will wrap it around. When I'm doing the front, I will spiral it back. I will always leave the end out. I won't leave the end wrapped around, and I do it away from my face. As I start to move around my head, I will go back and forth. So some pieces towards the front I will all put back, and anything that is towards the back I'll start to interchange forward and back to kind of give it a little bit more volume and add a little more texture to my hair to not have it all going into the same direction. So some pieces will be this way and some pieces I might find going this way. When I'm doing the back or the crown of my head, I typically like to go backward. I find that it gives you a little bit more volume and it's a little easier to tease when you do it that way. Next I have, what do I have? I have my finishing spray. So in between each tease, I really like this finishing spray by Ovation. It's really soft and light. It kind of still can move. I really enjoy that. So I'll add a little spray in between each tease just so it holds the volume of the tease. This is my all-time favorite teasing brush. I think it's just a game changer. I used to try to tease my hair with the comb, and I just found that there was tons and tons of breakage. This little gem that I discovered has just been such a little gold mine. So what I do is I'll section off my hair, and when I actually do the tease, I'm gonna do a forward motion. You don't wanna go forward and back. You wanna go forward, lift, and then go back. You don't wanna like go back and forth because that will cause breakage in your hair. So the most important thing is to just tease, lift it up, go back, tease, lift it up, go back. So you're not just going back and forth like that, because that will cause the breakage in your hair. You don't want. Lastly is probably my all-time favorite product. I just discovered this last year, and I just find it's been a huge game changer. So I absolutely suggest. This is the IGK Dry Shampoo. So good. I used to have to wash my hair pretty much every single day, and now I can do it every 3 to 4 days. I know 3 to 4 days this baby will take your hair. So this is really great. So what I do is I'll section it off exactly how I was saying before, just do a little tiny spray in between each piece and massage it into my scalp. I do find that if you use the blow dryer, it helps disperse the dry shampoo a lot better, so you don't see like clumps of white in your hair. It just gives you that volume that you're looking for. So a little tiny spray, especially before I go to the gym. This is awesome. I'm like a super sweaty person, so this saves my life in the gym. It's really great. I think that it doesn't make your hair all damp. When you go to the gym, it still kind of leaves you with that volume. So you can go to the gym and still style your hair when you come back. IGK Dry Shampoo, you're welcome.
Isn't it funny?
Thank you guys so much for checking out all my favorite hair care products. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask away. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much.